Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to discuss how you can do data pre-processing. So in my previous video I have shown you how you can remove null value present in a particular row or in a column by simply removing or omitting the particular row or column. Now in our this video we will be checking how we can replace the particular null value present in a particular cell by the mean of the particular column. Okay, so first of all let us load our data set. Already I have discussed several times how to load our data set. So this is our data set, okay, where you can see here one null value is present. So I am going to directly editor window, and first of all suppose you want to take one particular column. How you can take, let me show you in the command window itself. Here you can write lifter dot cells rating. Okay, you will be getting that particular uh, column. All right, so here I am writing e equal to lifter dot, what was our column name, lifter dot cells rating, right? That is table name dot column name. All right, now what we will do, we have to take the mean, but the mean has to be taken apart from the null value. Remember this. Why? Because suppose I am writing, actually the output, this particular column is stored in ans variable, right? If I write ans, I will be getting the same column. Now if I apply inbuilt mean function, I will be getting mean of ans, then I will be getting null, because as a null value is present, so it will return null only. Okay, so what we can do instead of that, here we can write our own code. Okay, so suppose I am writing count equal to 0, total equal to 0 for I equal to 1 colon length of e and end it here. If we have to take mean apart from the null value, right? So we will just check if is none e of I. Okay, this should return false, right? So not equal to I am giving. If this condition is satisfied, total equal to total plus e of I. All right, and we will increment the count also. Count equal to count plus 1, right? And we will end here. Okay, fine. Now what we can do, basically uh, mean value equal to, this is actually total, total by count. Okay, all right, total by count. Yeah, then mean value is stored here. Then what we can do, suppose I am taking another empty array and I will traverse same way, but now we have to fill those null values, right? So if is none, then in that case e is equal to, you will append that mean value in the array, or else we will simply put that value only. Okay, that is e of I. All right, so let us check whether our code is working or not. Some error we are getting is none. Okay, forgot to close the bracket. Let us run again. Okay, here also we forgot to close the bracket, and let me give here CLC clear all, close all. Now if I run, it will lifted or salary. Okay, actually due to application of CLC clear all close all, the uh, table is basically removed. Let me just import that once more. Now the table is imported. Now we can apply this algorithm and see our ES. See, actually our lifter dot, what was our name, that one, sales rating, right? Actually our lifter dot sales rating was this one. right? Where 10, 9, 7, 8, 7 and then none. But now we are having 10, 9, 7, 8, 7 then 8.2, which is null value is replaced by mean. Now we have to do left dot sales rating as this particular one. Okay, so what we will be doing, left dot sales rating equal to ES transpose, because this is row vector, you have to convert this to column vector. Okay, now if we check left, see what we will be getting. In the sales rating, the rest of the values are as it is, but the null value is replaced by the mean of the whole column. Okay, just we have calculated the mean, that's all, using this code. But this is quite big algorithm, so what you can do, you can follow some other way also. There are inbuilt function also available. Let me just import the dataset again. So I will be importing data once more time, and here it goes correct. And then if you check left, this is our original table where none value is present. We will be computing mean apart from the null value. Okay, so what we can do, mean value equal to mean function only will be applying on the left dot sales rating column, but we will be giving one more parameter, that is omit none. Okay, this will remove the null value, and apart from that every value it will take, and it will compute the mean. Okay, if I run, okay, so here spelling mistake in mean, so actually this is mean. Okay, so what is our mean value? 8.2, as we have got from our own written code. Now we have to fill this null by missing. Okay, so what you can do, we can make one new column, TS equal to, remember the RN missing we have used for removing the missing. Similarly fill missing is there to fill the missing. Okay, fill missing, and our which one we want to fill, that is left dot sales rating, right? Left dot sales rating comma with the particular mean value, but this mean value is constant, so we have to give one more argument, that is constant. Okay, so now if we write TS and enter, see we will be having the column where 8.2 is present instead of null value. Now this we have to put in the left dot sales rating. So simply I will copy from here, left dot sales rating, that particular column equal to TS. Okay, now if I write left, see I will be having my null value replaced by the mean of the overall column. Okay, so this is how you can handle mean value. This is another way, and this is more appropriate. Instead of deleting the whole row or whole column, this is more accurate way, that probably the null value is mean of the whole column, right? So this is one good assumption, and using this we can do this kind of data pre-processing, that is removing the null values. This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.